posted videos of the yams people have harvested, and this is another evidence that it is really working. So I want you to, maybe in a few minutes, all this produce, the these plants, the yam that we have planted, little explanation, maybe since when you have planted, the one that maybe just spent 3 weeks, the one that just spent a month. To my surprise,
actually, when somebody was telling us that it will take 1 year, it takes 7 months, it takes 9 months, I kept on laughing. This is purely irrigation. You are giving the plants the water required at the required time. So why should it take excessive time?
Sincerely,
This one you are looking at is just 3 weeks old.
my people,
Can any yam planted with hips come out like this in
3 weeks? This is miracle.
The one behind you is just a month old.
A month?
This is just a month old.
Jesus
4
Christ.
weeks old. So what we are saying is that it is possible and it is practicable. What you do is get sacks. All these sacks, some people tell me they burn away sack.
Yes.
Well, in their sites, they will throw it away, they will burn it. Don't burn it again. They are money. Wash them, put sand up to 50% of the bag, put your yam seedling, then put sand again up to 3/4 level. Then leave them and put water like 1 liter or 2 liters. Go and play. After 4 days, repeat the same thing. Allow the thing to come out by themselves. You can see that all these ones are coming out.
Yes.
They are already sprouting.
Sincerely.
In 3 weeks, we are getting yam like this.
Sincerely.
You can see some of them are even going to the
to the stake,
because they are seeing water at every time. But it must not be waterlogged. You don't say because they need water, then you pack all the water into it.
Yes.
Control the water. Let it be like a maximum of 2 liters in every 4 days. And then leave them